OLCO Kids.
Take a deep breath. Let's dive into the ocean. Can you find the blue ocean, friends? Swim with me. Ready? 1, 2, splash. Let's go! One blue whale. Splash, splash, splash. Two blue dolphins. Swish, swish, swish. Three blue fish. Swim, swim, swim. Four blue turtles. Slow, slow, slow. Five blue jellyfish. Float, float, float. Blue ocean friends, come and play. Blue ocean friends, splash all day. Swim with me, 1, 2, 3. Happy bubbles in the sea. Blue ocean friends, come and play. Blue ocean friends, hip hooray! Swim with me, 1, 2, 3. Happy bubbles in the sea. Great job! Now let's find the teal ocean friends. Can you move like a crab? Click, clack. Let's go! 6 teal sharks. Glide, glide, glide. 7 teal octopuses. Wave, wave, wave. 8 teal seahorses. Ride, ride, ride. 9 teal crabs. Click, click, click. 10 teal starfish. Shine, shine, shine. Teal ocean friends, come and play. Teal ocean friends, splash all day. Swim with me, 1, 2, 3. Happy bubbles in the sea. Teal ocean friends, come and play. Teal ocean friends, hip hooray! Swim with me, 1, 2, 3. Happy bubbles in the sea. You did it! Let's count one more time. Ready? 1 blue whale. 2 blue dolphins. 3 blue fish. 4 blue turtles. 5 blue jellyfish. 5 blue friends. Yay! 6 teal sharks. 7 teal octopuses. 8 teal seahorses. 9 teal crabs. 10 teal starfish. Teal friends. Yay! Everybody swim! Splash, splash, splash. Wave goodbye, bye, bye, ocean friends. See you next time. We love the ocean. Yay!